Greetings once again. It's your boy Green Badge from New Forex Academy here with a quick video on Crash 500, how to smash it, how to make a lot of money with Crash 500. In less than 5 minutes, we'll be done explaining this video. This is the same strategy that I use on all indices, be it currencies, be it Forex indices, be it synthetic indices. I use this strategy on all of those instruments and I make profits. I'm making profits all day long, all night long. Hey, just stay tuned and get to know this strategy. We call it the easy money concept. Some others call it smart money concept, but I say it is the easy money concept because it helps us to make a lot of money in a short space of time, man. You don't have to wait all those long days, long hours waiting for a trade to play out. You're just playing it safe and nice, profitable in the lowest time frames. If you want to use it even in higher time frames, it works, but you wait a very long time to get into profits. Okay, so looking at our trade setup, we said every time when we are trading, we want to have a structure that is trending. So before we enter any trade, we make sure that we are in a trending market, and then the market is now to be broken. That structure has to be broken. Like here, we are saying we are in an uptrend. We are making a series of higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, and this higher low is broken to create a new lower low. And as this happens, we mark this as our change of character. And this last bearish candle before the down move which broke this structure, we say it is our order block. So what we'll be doing now is we are waiting for price to return to this order block, and we have our entry, a risky one on the edge of the order block and a safe one inside the order block. You measure maybe with a Fibonacci, or you just estimate the midpoint of the order block and you place your entry there, and your stop loss will be above the order block and your take profit will be below the new low that has been created if it is a sell signal. Okay, so now we are going to dive into the fresh markets Crash 500 chart. This is what is happening currently. Okay, so right here we were trending. It was an uptrend, and then we had this structure break. This is our change of character right here. Okay, change of character, and then we mark out this is our order block. This is our higher time frame order block. It's an M15, and then now we'll be waiting for price to come back into this order block. Let's say we switch into the M5, the 5-minute time frame. There we will see that price did come back into the order block. This order block, price came back into it. Our entry was triggered right here. Our entry is triggered, and here is our stop loss. Here is our stop loss. So as you can see, the risk reward ratio with an entry on the edge of the order block, it will be a 1:2.5, which means you risk 10 US dollars, you get 25 US dollars. If we put our entry on the midpoint, if we had a midpoint entry of the order block, our risk reward ratio was going to be 1:5 risk reward ratio. You risk $10, you get a 50, $50. Okay, so this is how you make money with this strategy. So our trade played very well, and we had an entry right here, as you can see on the screenshot on the left side, and the trade played out well, as you can see on the screenshot on the right hand side, and we made profits. We made a lot of money with this trade. So you risk according to your account size. Someone can risk 100 US dollars and get that times 5, which means you can get 500 US dollars up to just this level here, right here. Okay, right here. That was our target. So always remember how we trade. We say we need to configure that a trend is okay. So you always have to remember how we trade our structure. Firstly, you have to be in a trending market, and then you break a previous higher low, going into a downtrend, and then you mark out your order block, you enter on the order block edge or at the midpoint. Midpoint entries have a smaller stop loss compared to edge entries, and they are more profitable compared to entering at the midpoint of your order block. So make sure that you practice this on your accounts, live accounts, and make money. Make money, make money. We are in 2024 and we have to be making a lot of it. Okay, so this was your setup, and currently we can see that we have another setup right here. You can enter it right now. If you miss the entry, we had this order block. Okay, we had this imbalance or this imbalance. Let me zoom the chart. Okay, we had this imbalance from here, right here, or this was imbalance. Let me take a brush. Okay, from here to here, all this is imbalance, or this is imbalance. It had to be filled. That imbalance had to be filled, and we had price coming back to fill that imbalance. And then just on top of that imbalance, as we discussed in the last video, there was an order block. Price tapped onto that order block, and now it's in profit already. Stop loss here, and we are targeting this low. It's a 1:6 risk reward ratio as well. It's a 1:6 risk reward ratio, and the trade is already activated and it's playing out very well. So you see these entries, they are all over. You can enter them anytime, anywhere. As you can see, even just before this order block, we had this imbalance as well that had to be filled. So always look for your imbalance or the fair value gap, and when it is filled, you are expected to enter the order block that is just behind the fair value gap. Okay, so it's a boy Green Badge from New Forex Academy. Stay safe, trade wise, and make money. It's the year to make money. 2024 is our year as far as traders. Okay, so until next time, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and get signals when they are still valid. So click the subscribe button below and make sure that you'll be the first to get notified when I post a live signal for you to make money together with me. Okay, so until next time, it's your boy Green Badge.